I have made and posted several videos about Laha Valley, Riyadh. Now, in this video, I want to share with you the reasons why I kept making videos about this place. Yes, it's because this valley is more than just a valley. It is a hiking spot with plenty of beautiful spots to explore. So stay with me guys and watch this video because I will give you the sights and spots in Laha Valley you probably don't know. And after watching this video, you now have the points of where to go in Laha Valley. The first point I'm introducing is the viewing point of Mount Uraida. By the way guys, before climbing here on top of the mountain, you will also find the hidden spring of AlAwliya in this area. Now, the moment you get here on top of the mountain, you will enjoy the amazing view of the valley like this one that you see on your screen. Again, this is the Mount Uraida viewing point. This is the Alasa Park. This is adjacent to Mount Uraida viewing point. Again, you need to climb to the hilltop to fully appreciate the beauty of the place. Alright, here we go.
We made it.
Yeah, congratulations.
Well done. Well
How do you find it?
Hard.
But it's enjoying, right?
Absolutely.
Alright, so enjoy and be safe.
Enjoy.
Alright. The most popular spot here in Laha Valley is the Shaib Laha Hidden Pool. It has two natural hidden pools, Pool number 1 and Shaib Laha Pool number 2. Shaib Laha has fascinating sights, beautiful valley for picnic, camping, and other recreations. Next to this area is the Shaib Laha camping ground. Like in Alasa Park viewing point, in order for you to enjoy looking at the scenic sights, you need to climb the hill again. Not necessarily on top, you just need to climb to the higher ground to get the vantage point and enjoy looking around. Now probably you are asking where is this located. If you remember the video, the Alasa Park viewing point, this is the end part of the Alasa Park on the eastern side. So this is what you have here in Shaib Laha camping ground. You see the mountain slope to the left side of the screen. At the end of the slope, on the far end, that's where the AlAwliya trail is located. Now let me do this panning shot to give you the look of the valley. So you see on the far end, that's a farm, dates farm, and on the upper center part of the screen, the end part of the dates farm, that's where the Alasa Park viewing point. That's where I positioned myself when I gave you the shot of the beautiful park of Alasa. Now coming to this upper center of the screen again, the end part, that's where the Shaib Laha hidden pool located. Another hiking spot that you should visit, explore, and enjoy is the hiking spots inside the AlAwliya Gardens. AlAwliya Gardens, by the way, guys, this is a private farm but this is open to the public. Just in case you want to buy flowering ornamental plants, you can come here. And other than buying the beautiful plants, you also have the chance to do the hiking inside the AlAwliya Gardens. They have the hiking spot number 1 and hiking spot number 2. And at the hiking spot number 2, you will find this hidden natural pool inside the AlAwliya Gardens. And in case you don't want to go for hiking, of course, you can simply sit down or stand and look around and see the scenic landscape of Laha Valley. Here at the first hiking spot of AlAwliya Gardens, after climbing to the top of the hill, this is what you are going to enjoy. Exactly what I am enjoying right now. I'm on top of the hill and I enjoy looking at the scenic sights around the farm. So guys, let me show you the other sites inside the AlAwliya Gardens. One of the spots that you should visit here in Laha Valley, Riyadh. Aside from enjoying the hiking activity, looking at the scenic sights and the beautiful landscape of Laha Valley, here inside the AlAwliya Gardens, you can also buy the different species of flowering ornamental plants. And take note, this is open to the public, so you can come here and buy the beautiful plants that you want to buy. Another part of Laha Valley that is exciting to visit to do the sightseeing is this one. This is the Kaniger farm. This is a private farm but you can come inside by arranging a hiking tour with the Saudi hiking. Because inside the farm, here you can find the headquarters of the Saudi hiking. Saudi hiking, they have professional guides to bring you to the different spots around Laha Valley and the nearby places like the Soldier's Head Valley. Again, you can come here by arranging a tour with the Saudi hiking, and of course, like me, you will enjoy the scenic sights inside the Kaniger farm. Now guys, those are the different sites and spots inside Laha Valley for hiking and sightseeing activity. Laha Valley is not simply a valley because it is a place of beautiful places. And this is not far from the city center of Riyadh, reachable and accessible.